Honestly though, I did not feel like hooking up my microphone. That was my favorite person.
Alright, you're not coming to work tomorrow. Are you a new hire? Okay, I will let our clinic manager know and she'll be in contact with you.
Okay.
Hey my royals. Yes, I just went to church and that's why I'm dressed like this. But how you guys doing today? Happy President's Day. Happy birthday, Washington. Yes, today I will be doing a special video where I call in sick to places I don't work. I'm kind of scared. I got this video idea from Luca Whitaker, so her channel's in the eye in the corner or down below. Probably won't be down below because, you know. So make sure you hashtag join the queen by subscribing to my channel because we all can be royal too. And if you did that and if you're a part of my kingdom, then comment down below hashtag royal or hashtag royalty to get a shout out and let next week's video. Shout out from last week goes to this lovely person right here. So yes, go, yeah, they're the real MVP. So guys, I'm actually gonna be calling a massage envy that's not in my town. So actually, let's not call the one that's in my town because the other one I kind of just hung up on. So
Thank you for calling Massage and Peace Box. Speaking, can I help you?
this is Caitlin just calling and telling you that I'm not going to be coming into work tomorrow.
Massage and Peace Box, your name is Caitlin.
Yes, ma'am.
Alright, you're not coming to work tomorrow. Are you a new hire?
Oh yes, my name might not be in the system.
Alrighty, and so your name was Caitlin, and what was your last name?
Redding.
Caitlin Redding. Okay, I will let our clinic manager know and she'll be in contact with you.
Wait, is this the one in?
Massage and Peace Box.
Oh, I'm sorry.
No
Bye.
problem. Thank you, bye.
So the thing is, I don't know if they actually have like a Caitlin, so that's why I was like, oh, sorry, wrong one. I guess it's the one in this town, so that's why I kind of did that. Yeah. Okay, let's call some more. Let's call. So this time I'm gonna be calling other places and tell them like scheduling stuff. So let me schedule like a birthday party. So I'm gonna call Taco Bell and tell them that I want to schedule a birthday party. So let's go ahead and do that.
My name is Lauren.
Can I schedule a birthday party?
I'm sorry?
A birthday party.
No, we don't do those.
Why not? But that's my.
Taco Bell, this is a fast food restaurant. We don't do
But-
birthday parties.
That's my child's favorite place to go.
Sorry, we don't do those.
Well, can you do like can I go there tomorrow and make like an order for 20?
Can we do what? I'm sorry?
So if I go there tomorrow, can I just order 20 meals and then just put it in my car and leave to go somewhere else?
I can't hear you. We don't do birthday parties. We don't schedule anything like that. So.
Okay. I'll be around there tomorrow.
That's fine. I'll let them know.
Okay, bye. Okay, that's fine. Let's do McDonald's. They're open 24 hours, so let's call them. Hello?
McDonald's.
Do you do birthday parties?
I'm sorry?
Do you do birthday parties?
No, we don't.
Oh, okay. Why not? Don't you have like
I'm
the big? Don't you have like the big playhouse area?
No, we don't.
Oh, do you know a McDonald's that does?
I'm sorry, I don't.
Oh, okay. So can I go over there tomorrow and just pick up a bunch of Happy Meals and then just leave, go somewhere else?
It is a McDonald's that has a play area, but I'm not exactly sure which one it is. I think it might be the one that's on, but I know it's not us.
Okay, thank you.
No problem.
Bye. Okay, I could tell a little sass in her voice, but she was nice. Yes, okay, let's call that one. This is our last one, guys. So I'm gonna call a Burger King and do a party. So let's go. They can't hear me on speaker, so I'm trying to make it.
Burger King. This is Kathy. May I help you?
Can I schedule to have a birthday party there?
Here at Burger King, I'm not sure if we do that, but I can check into it for you. But we can, sure enough, go ahead and try to get that done. Can I get your name?
Oh, Sorry, it's Caitlin.
Caitlin?
Yes, ma'am.
And when did you want to have it?
In about like 4 days. Just to give me enough time to prepare.
Right. What day did you want to have it?
I said in
The 15th?
yes, ma'am.
Alright. And what time did you want to have that?
What time does she get out of school? Around 3.
3 p.m.?
Yes, ma'am.
And you just want to come here and have the party in the lobby?
Oh.
Because we don't set up parties and balloons and all that stuff.
Can you hold on for a second? You said you don't do parties there?
As far as I know, we don't do parties. We don't have cake. We don't have balloons. We don't have all that.
Do you know a Burger King?
We're welcome for you to come here and have your party here if you'd like.
Oh, okay. Thank you. It won't be big. It'll just be about like 7 people. Thank you. Bye.
It's okay.
That was my favorite person. I'm sorry I had to end it because it died, but I ran out of space. But that was my favorite person. She was like, okay, yeah, you can have it if you want to. What time, what day? We do birthday parties here, but you're welcome to have it. We don't have cake, but you're welcome to do it. So if you want me to do this with a friend, because I think I will get much more accomplished with a friend. So yeah, yes. So yeah, okay.